Aloha, friends. I'm Shashi, and welcome to my podcast, E-Log. I'm here with episode 5 and a few surprises. Today, I don't have a single guest with me, but a bunch of kids who have sent some sweet Diwali messages for each one of you. So let's hear them without any delay.
Hey guys, a very happy Diwali to all of you. This is Pudri from Delhi. So it's actually 14 November, though this time we didn't realize that how time passed by. And several festivals like Holi, Dashera, Eid, and so on have already gone. And now it's time for Diwali. Do you remember when we were young and someone asked us the meaning of Diwali? We said that it's the festival of lights and sweets. But because of Corona and lockdown and so much death and negativity around, this festival feels like a fresh breeze of happiness. No, not everyone is as lucky as we are. Some don't have enough money for clothes and sweets, while some might not be well because of Corona. To be honest, this year has been really stressful and depressing because being at home 24 hours 7 is not easy, especially in 21st century where we are used to not having time for ourselves. But because of online classes and work from home, even the time that we had earlier is no more. So celebrating a festival heartily with family might help us overcome that weird feeling that we all have, but just can't express. Though because of the whole scenario around, especially the ladies who have been working round the clock with no rest and now with the whole family at home, this apparent break was very much needed. Don't you agree? But like it said, that life is what happens to you when you are busy making other plans. And this exactly happened this year in the most absurd way possible. But still my advice would be that celebrate this day in the best way you can, at least to restore your lost peace and happiness. Have a blast, guys! And to conclude, I have a poem for you. आओ हम सब आशाओं के दीप जलाएं, इस दिवाली से निराशा के अंधकार को मिटाएं, तारों सा जगमग ये चमन बनाएं, आओ हम सब आशाओं के दीप जलाएं. So guys, once again a very happy Diwali.
Hello everyone, this is Aditi Kumari from Siliguri. Let's celebrate the moment of happiness by helping the needy ones, providing them with all the needful stuffs such as sweets, crackers, diyas, as well as happiness. Go organic and go green. Be happy, keep smiling, and happy Diwali.
We all are facing a grave pandemic situation these days, but to give some relief, festivals like Diwali are coming. So I would like to wish everyone a very happy and healthy and safe Diwali. And please a big no to crackers this year.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मेरी रीना कुजूर है। मैं महुआडार झारखंड से हूँ। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि दिवाली आ चुकी है और हर ओर इस त्योहार का खुमार छाया हुआ है। चलिए और इस बार की दिवाली को उजालों से भर देते हैं। दिए को अपने उपयोग में लाइए और पूरे घर को रोशनी से भर दीजिए। खुद के लिए तो हर कोई सोचता है, क्यों न इस दिवाली वंचित लोगों की जिंदगी रोशन की जाए। अपने पुराने कपड़े दान कीजिए, यूं भी सर्दियां आने वाली है, उन्हें मिठाइयाँ दीजिए। किसी अनाथालय जाकर भी हम ये कर सकते हैं। पटाखों को खरीदने के बदले हम उन पैसों से गरीब बच्चों के पुस्तक खरीद सकते हैं। अतः आप सबसे निवेदन है कि आप एक सुरक्षित और आनंदमय दिवाली मनाएं। हैप्पी दिवाली, stay home, stay safe.
Hey friends, I'm Harsh Verma from Ranchi, Jharkhand. Well, Corona is at its peak. Still, we are going to sneak. So, what are your plans for this Diwali? As we all know that this year has been a roller coaster ride for all of us. This time, I am going to celebrate Diwali by donating clothes to the ones who really need them. So, let's try to break the stereotypes and be generous towards them. At last, तो दोस्तों, इस बार हम सब मिलकर मनाएंगे दिवाली बिना पटाखों वाली. Say no to pollution, stay safe and be health conscious. Go green, go natural, and a very happy and prosperous Diwali to all of you.
Hi, my name is Simran Hasda and I reside in Dumka, which is in Jharkhand. So this Corona wali Diwali, I have decided to use garden elements for decoration. For example, I have painted dead tree branches and will use earthen diyas and little lamps to decorate it. Hence, no extra bijli, no extra kharcha and no Chinese products. Happy Diwali!
Thank you, Purvi, Mary, Simran, Aditi, Sarvagya, and Harsh for adding the much required sparkle to this Diwali through your words, which were full of hope and concern for the environment and the people who are in need. I hope all the listeners like the messages and wishes sent by them. I'm sure we'll remember their words and pay heed to them as we celebrate. This Diwali, let your inner light glow. Be the ray of hope for those who are desperately in need of light. Be the smile for those whose eyes are filled with tears. Let us share happiness and fill each one's heart with love and gratitude. Let us not only give gifts to each other, but treat each other with kindness and compassion. Let us embrace light and destroy darkness. Let us embrace peace and hope. May you be blessed and share your abundant blessings with everyone around you. I wish each one of you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you, friends, for listening to us. If you have any suggestions or feedback, then do email me at elog2020@gmail.com, or you can leave a comment on YouTube chat box. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the podcast on YouTube, Spotify, Anchor, and Google Podcast. Thank you and stay tuned.